Good morning. My name is Pradyuman Bagel and I am going to present the presentation of business policy. And my topic of presentation is business policy introduction. Definition: business policy define the scope of spheres within discussion can be taken by the subordinates in an organization. It permits the lower level management to deal with the problem and issues without consulting top levels management every time for decisions. Business policies are the guidelines developed by an organization to govern its actions. They define the limits within which decisions must be made. Business policy also deals with acquisitions of resource with which organizational goals can be achieved. Business policy is the study of roles and responsibility of the top level management. The significant issue affecting organizational success and the decision affecting organization in long term. Thank you so much.
My name is Divya Pratap Singh Chauhan and I am here to present a presentation on topic business policy. Features of business policy. First, specific policy should be specified and definite. It is uncertain that the implementation will become difficult. Second, clear. Clear policy must be unambiguous and should avoid the use of jargons and connotations. There should be no misunderstandings in following the policy. Third, reliable. Reliable uniform policy must be uniform enough so that it can be efficiently followed by the subordinate. Fourth, appropriate. Appropriate policy should be appropriate to the present organizational goal. Fifth, simple. Simple. A policy should be simple and easily understood by all in the organization. Sixth, inclusive and comprehensive. In order to a wide scope, a policy must be comprehensive. Seventh, flexible. Uh, Flexible policy should be flexible in operation application. This does not imply that a policy should be altered always, but it should be wide in scope so as to ensure that the line manager use them in repetitive routines and scenarios. Last, eighth, stable. Stable policy should be stable, else it will lead to indecisiveness and uncertainty in minds of those who look into it for guidance. Thank you.
Of business policies. Policies should be identifiable and clear either in word or in practices. Objectives of policy should be fully identified and well defined. Policy should not be conflict with other functional and divisional policies of the company. The policy should be capable enough to fully exploit the opportunity. The policy should be always be realistic. The policy should constitute a clear stimulus to organizational effort and commitment. Policies should be characterized by fairness and honesty with organizational philosophy, objectives, goals, and strategies. Policies should be appropriate to desired level of contribution to the society. Thank you.